This is a Rubik's Cube, and this is Casey Taggle, and he's gonna solve it spinning in a laundromat. Oh, wait. I'm gonna get it look at it. I feel like my ear's gonna fall out.
I'm getting dizzy.
I'm not.
We're gonna make people across America sick.
No. Stop. It's really hard. Show your mullet. You got a mullet. Yeah. Ah, you got that. This is noticeable now. Hurry up. So liquid. Other way. We'll say this is for our school project. My school project. My space project. Done. Almost. Down the rim. No.
Down the rim.
No, I got corn. No! Stop! Almost done. I'm looking at it. Where are we going for? Police station. I got almost done. Wait. I got it. Stand up.
Yeah. You got it done though.
Yeah.